Hi folks. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an exciting topic to discuss: influencer marketing. If you're looking to boost your brand and reach a wider audience, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of effective influencer marketing. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's understand the concept of influencer marketing. What exactly is an influencer marketing? Influencer marketing is a strategic collaboration between brands and influencers to promote products or services to the influencer's audience. It's a powerful way to leverage the trust and authority influencers have built with their followers. Now, let's move on to the first step. Step 1. Define your goals and target audience. Before diving into influencer marketing, it's crucial to identify your goals and target audience. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve through this campaign? Who are your ideal customers? Understanding these factors will help you find influencers who align with your brand values and have an engaged audience that matches your target demographic. Step 2. Research and identify suitable influencers. Now that you know your goals and target audience, it's time to find influencers who are a great fit for your brand. Start by researching popular influencers in your niche. Look for those whose content resonates with your brand's values and has a loyal following. Tools like social media analytics platforms and influencer marketing platforms can assist you in identifying suitable influencers. Step 3. Build relationships and collaborate. Once you've identified potential influencers, it's time to reach out and build relationships with them. Start by following them on their social media channels, engaging with their content, and sharing genuine comments. When you feel the timing is right, reach out to them via direct messages or emails. Be personal, highlight why you love their content, and explain how a collaboration could benefit both parties. Step 4. Plan your campaign and set clear expectations. When collaborating with influencers, it's crucial to establish clear campaign objectives and expectations. Discuss the campaign details, such as the type of content, posting schedule, key messages, and any specific guidelines or requirements. Remember, transparency and open communication are vital for a successful influencer marketing campaign. Step 5. Track and measure campaign performance. Once your campaign is live, it's important to track and measure its performance. Monitor key metrics like engagement, reach, conversions, and brand sentiment. This data will help you evaluate the success of your influencer marketing efforts and make informed decisions for future campaigns. To recap, influencer marketing is a powerful strategy to amplify your brand's reach and connect with your target audience. By defining your goals, identifying suitable influencers, building relationships, planning your campaign, and tracking performance, you'll be well on your way to influencer marketing success. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Don't forget to leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts and any questions you may have. I love hearing from you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video with more exciting content. Until then, happy marketing!